I'm going to teach you how to make ratatouille. I know you think you know how to make ratatouille, but do you know that it should contain mirepoix? Bien sûr. Courgette, tomato, red pepper, aubergine. The salt helps draw out the water and tenderizes them. I'm going to cook these in batches so I don't overcrowd my frying pan. Now we move on to the aubergine. Again, I cook in batches. Fait accompli, mon aubergine are cooked. Now it's time for Monsieur Mirepoix.
1 carrot, 2 onions, and 1 celery.
Most important, I'm using the same pan. All of this coloring is flavor. Now, into my mirepoix, I'm going to add some garlic, some thyme and bay leaves, all my lovely vegetables that I have sautéed, the aubergine, the courgette, the tomato, the red pepper, a tin of chopped tomatoes. If these are plum tomatoes, so I'm just going to break them apart, just like an Italian mama. Some basil and a little red wine vinegar. A quick stir, and I cover and let cook on low heat for half an hour. Ratatouille with late summer vegetables. Le voilà.